In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the 8-pack hand press machine. This is specifically designed to work with our cardboard rings. And no matter which color you choose for the rings, it works the exact same way. And you can use it to make 8 packs, 6 packs, and 4 packs. But if your store doesn't do 8 packs, then we have a solution for you as well. This is specifically designed to work with 6 packs and 4 packs. So check out our other videos to see how this one works. When you order the hand press, it comes with a tray and you use it to line up the cans. Now, one thing that you do want to note is the table that you're working on, you want it to sit at about your waist height. That way, when you are pushing down the ring onto the cans, you're not exerting too much pressure. Now just grab the ring and you want to place it upside down on the press and then just flip it over. And then it should fall in on its own onto the cans. And then you just want to push down from all the sides and then the center like this. And here's the final result. There's no bends or any tears. That way none of the cans fly out when customers pick them up. If you're working with the craft rings, they're the same color on both sides, but one side is matte and the other side is glossy. So you want the matte side to actually end up on the top like this. So when you are putting it on the press, you want to put it upside down with the glossy side facing up. I'll quickly show you again. Line up your cans, place the ring upside down, and then it lines up. That's how long it takes to make an 8-pack. If you're working with 6 packs, it's going to be a very similar process. But for these, you can either line them up onto the left-hand side of the tray or the right-hand side of the tray. And then you're going to take the ring, place it upside down, and then flip it over. It should line up on its own again. And then you push down the exact same way that you did before. And here's a 6-pack. And lastly, for the 4 packs, you can actually make them 2 at a time. So just take your cans and place them in the tray, and then you're going to grab 2 rings and just put them on the press like this. Flip them over and just push down from all the sides and then the center. And there's your final result. So that was the 8-pack hand press machine. And like I said before, we also have the same machine, but as a 6-pack. If your store also makes skinny cans, we also have these adapters that just slide into the tray. And you can use the same press machine as we did before. And you would just place the skinny cans in here and just push down like you did before. And if your store doesn't have a table to use the press machine, we also offer these upside down hand press machines. And for these, you would just take the rings, put them upside down, and then just push each can into the ring. Check out our other videos to see how the rest of these machines work. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us at liquorstoreproducts.com.